To say this, ngiyathanda kakhulu to send a word of an apology, and I feel for these people, our sponsors, as well as SABC, who's broadcasting Izolo. I feel that lento eyenzekile Izolo, they did not deserve to go through Leana, because they've invested Leanto in the tournament. They've spent their monies to make sure things go accordingly for us. Secondly, I want to apologize to Abantu Basitsakane and all the people that came. I think Konuma Mozigmina wati upuma eLesotho. She only came for the tournament ngoba ethuzobuka. Ukuthi ke gcina kwenzeka ngalendlela ekwenzeke ngayo akukho right. So ngiyafuna uku-acknowledge futhi ngixolise kulabo bantu ukuthi mhlambe kugcine sebe affecteka ngezinto ezenzeka ngaphakathi. Okay, let's get into the issues. Let's get into indaba ke bafethu. So that sonke understand ukuthi kwenzakaleni la.